Your dreams may be challenged. DNA storage technology could gain a new dimension in the future by uploading information to DNA. In 2017, Microsoft researchers successfully recorded 200 MB of data onto DNA, proving that digital data can be stored on DNA. In 2019, Harvard University researchers successfully recorded a JPEG image onto DNA, demonstrating that this technology could be used in practice. In 2021, researchers at the University of California, San Diego successfully recorded an audio file onto DNA, showing that dynamic data can also be stored. DNA data storage technology may have great potential in the future, but some obstacles need to be overcome for commercial use. With these exciting discoveries, we are delving deeper into the mysteries of DNA.